What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for tuning in. If you haven't known recently, the stock Tesla's been going absolutely nuts. Just a couple weeks back, we had mentioned that Tesla was in a bull flag and it was getting ready to make a move to the upside. So far since then, the stock Tesla has broken out. We have gone through the bull flag, and now we are in the stages of the bull run. The question really remains, how much further does this Tesla move have to go? So before we get into that, let's do a little bit of technical analysis on Tesla and kind of show you what formations have recently occurred and traded. So if we look closely and zoom in a little bit, you will see here that Tesla had recently sold all the way off. It bottomed down here around the 200 moving average. Since then, it has kind of channeled back and forth, creating a bull flag that has since then broken out. Currently, the price of Tesla is trading just shy of $700. The first projected price target of Tesla when it broke this bull flag was a move to 700. The second price target that Tesla is looking for in this bullish move is about $726. So for all you Tesla lovers out there, right now you're looking and expecting the price of this bull flag to continue all the way to about a price of $720 to $726, give or take a few dollars per share. Once the stock Tesla gets to 726, that is where you will start to see some bearish selling most likely occur and the bullish move out of this bull flag stop for the time being. So again, just a small recap. The bull flag has broken out. We have reached the first price target. Now we are going for the second price target. And once we get to this guy, we should start to see the market distributing some shares on Tesla stock. Now, before we get into anything further, what I want to do is switch this chart over to a different chart so that your guys might see something a little bit differently. You notice when we look at this chart right now, or say we flip it to this time frame, which is a 180-day, 4-hour time frame, it almost looks exactly the same. There's nothing about this chart that makes you feel like you're gaining an edge. It's just a stock chart which is broken out of a bull flag and currently moving higher. But what I want to show you is what this chart looks like. Now we're going to change this back over to 180-day on this guy, and then I'll show you these two charts in comparison. So on the right, we have a chart of Tesla, a 180-day time frame. On the left, we have a chart of Tesla, which is also a 180-day time frame. The difference is this chart on the left is running a standard deviation channel system, whereas the chart on the right is not. And now if you look at the chart on the right, you'll notice that stock just bounces down here and the stock is going to, up here. But if you look at the screen on the left, you'll realize that the stock Tesla was bouncing on its long-term trend, categorized there, that orange line. And if you look at or switch the time frame on the chart to the left, you will notice that the stock Tesla is also trading to, long-term channel levels. So this is how we projected the $700 price target on Tesla. It's going to this mark here. And then the $726 target, the reason we're telling you that's where the market's targeting to is because that is the long-term statistical trend, which means there's a high probability that the market is trying to go to this point. So over the next couple days to next couple weeks, you as a Tesla investor, trader, swing trader, should probably be gearing up and looking for prices of Tesla to reach 726. Now, if it doesn't reach 726, boo-hoo. But there's a very, very strong chance it will. And when it does, you're going to want to start considering to be more bearish or selling depending on how long of an investment you are trying to make. If you're a swing trader that bought down here, a day trader that's buying here, again, really shouldn't be targeting for anything more than a $726 price. Now, the way that I expect this whole thing is going to play out on Tesla is it's very likely that from today going into the next couple days, we do see a little bit of kind of back and forth trading and consolidation. As you can see, the market is already topped at about 700. So we've topped at 700, we've dipped, we've gone up, we've pulled back, we've gone up. So there's a good chance we'll dip, come down, and later try to come back up and break 700. When this break happens, it will be kind of a pennant breakout that will then gap the market or trade it up to about 721. The market will then, 726. The market will then sell down again, and then we'll start to go into a distribution phase that will later break down the 700 and swing you back down towards these lows here. I know that's a lot to say and predict for the future. We'll see how it plays out, but I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys get beneficial information from every one of these videos that I post and every one of the videos you guys watch. If you're new, highly consider subscribing, as we normally do videos like this all the time and stream every single morning at 8:30 a.m. all the price targets and levels that you should be watching out for on the most popular stocks. So with that being said, expect Tesla 726 and then be bearish. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.